there. We's gonna go chase down them turkey birds. So you guys know what time it is. Alright, you guys, we made it to our place. Dude, did you hear that? Alright, you guys, I know this shot is hectic as hell, but we just spotted the birds across the way, and it looks like they're across about 60 foot of fucking water. So we gotta hit this wood line and work our way towards them. It might be an all-day mission, but boy, we about to get her done. Yeah, we just found some birds, and we found a bass boat. That's a turkey. Oh yeah. Hunting blind's going under. Flashback to Nam when we was walking through the rice paddies. When it's April and you're titty deep in the swamp and things start moving. Boo, come on, get your ass out of there. Where are you going? Land. Gobbling back across the street, see if I can get him to gobble on camera. Dude, he's coming. Check him out. These boys got the one we missed. That's awesome.
That's what's up.
I'm wearing them out today.
Happy to see him laying down on the ground.
Man, y'all go get him, dude.